Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And tonight, I'm going to show you what I've been up to, just kind of poking around, and I mean poking around. This is my Shirley Temple 27-inch doll head. It needs to be restored, but I thought, well, while we're in the eye field still, we're still there, everybody. People ask me, what do you do if the eyes are still in the head? Do you have to take them out to work on them? No, you don't, because this is what I did. And there we go. Now she has flirty eyes, and I'll show you. There she is. There's the eye I just put in.
Do that again, the flirty eyes.
I got my hand in there, so I'm just taking. As her head turns,
Okay.
her head will turn back. Her eyes will turn back and forth. Okay. So, anyways, what you're going to do is put your hand up inside if you can. If so, you as well. You could put cloth up in there, like some a thin dish towel up in there, just to hold the eyes in place. So, anyways, you're going to start on these eyes wherever you want. It doesn't matter where, and you're just going to start poking. And I just want to support the eye in the back too with my hand. That's another thing. So you're just going to start poking. See how rotten those are? Those eyes are just done. Okay, so you just start poking away. And all that has to come out. All of that. And you just start...
This is what they mean on that certain Christmas movie about, no, you can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye out.
Red Ryder BB gun, remember that?
Yeah, a Red Ryder. I want a Red Ryder BB gun with a thing on it that tells time.
We love that movie, don't we?
Yeah, that's.
So you're just gonna poke around. So what I'm going to do is just poke around on this eye, and you're just going to keep scraping. Now, she needs eyelashes. She needs a full restoration, this doll does. So, but I just want to show that it can be done while the eyes are in the head. And, ooh.
I can't see the eye.
That's okay. Yeah. Some of it you're going to see, some of it you're not. You'll get to see the whole thing. I got to get up inside there and just get some of that stuff out. It's the only way to do it. And some of it you're going to not be able to see right away. But you got to just get in there and just poke that stuff out, because it doesn't belong in there. You can see where that stuff went into the eye. There we go. There's a big piece that just came out. It will come out, this stuff. It will. You got to get right underneath the rim of the eye and start playing with, like, getting that stuff out and pushing on it. It can't stay in there, otherwise you can't get your iris in there.
Can you grab a hold?
There we go. There's a piece right there. Look at this.
Wait, let me get it on the camera.
There we go. There's a nice big piece coming out right now. And sometimes it might go all the way around the eye. Sometimes. You can only pray that it does. No.
Wait, show me the piece. Yeah.
Now there's more coming. If you look, I really lucked out with this eye. And there's more lifting up right to as well as we... There we go.
Yeah,
there we go.
There we are.
And this is what you want. You want that big piece just to come out. That's just old eye. Look at that. Look at that. Nice big piece coming out. Look at this. It just wants to come right out. And that's the idea of it all. And there you go. You got it all out. Now this was a little bit easier than the first eye I did. There we go. So you want to make sure that all... And I still see some up in there. So we're not completely free yet. I can still see some up there. There it is. And it's out. And now I think we've got a nice clean eye. So now that we've got that hole out, now believe me, she does need restoration, okay?
Okay, now let me get a better shot of it and move it back and forth.
Oh.
Okay, so we can see that
everything came out. All that, because the only way you're going to get the iris in is to get that all out.
And now we compare it to the other eye. Okay, so you can see what's happening.
Now what I'm going to do is, I realized this is a 27-inch Shirley Temple, so she needs the 12mm eye. So I'll put a blue in so you can see which color do you want to go with. You can make her eyes green. Now that you've got the iris out, you can make the doll's eye whatever color you want. It doesn't have to be according to what the manufacturer did at the time. So there we go. There's the blue in there.
Well, can you do that one more time, or is it in there?
It's in there. I don't know if I can get it back. Oh, it's not in for good, but I just don't know if I can get it back
Okay,
out.
never mind then. Never
Hang
mind.
on, maybe I can. I have to take them back out to glue anyways, but I can't get it out now. But anyways, I just slid it right in and it just slipped right in.
Wait, you got two different colors.
I know, I'm just wanting to show what color you can go with.
Oh,
You can either go with the blue. If you like the blue, put the blue in. If you want brown, you can put brown in. Whatever color you desire now, it's up to you. You can put green in if you want. You can make her a green-eye doll. This is the thing when it comes to these dolls. I'm going to show you another doll here that I was working on. This one was gifted to me by Viva. Viva, this is your doll that you gave me, if you're watching this. And I did one eye already. There's her eye there. I put the little blue one in. And you can see here, all it needs, it looks like this is all, now this is a doll that's connected to the body still. So now what you have to do is, I'm a lefty, so I got to turn her around so I can work left-handed with her. So what I'm going to do is open up that eye. Okay, she's in the laying down position. I don't want to take her off. Just, let's say you don't want to take the chest plate off.
you gotta move the doll that way.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay, we'll move her down more.
There.
Now, I'm holding open this eye here. Whoops. Okay. So I'm going to open up this eye here, and now what you're going to do is, I didn't know if this eye was an all steel eye, and she just lost her color. But I thought, well, just poke a little bit, Tammy, and look what happened. She
Poke
has,
a needle in my eye.
she has the same kind of eyes as what the Shirley Temple does, and you got to start digging this stuff out. So I have a lot of dolls with this kind of eye. Look at that. And that all is just dried out, old plastic. You just want to get in there, get that all out. And it comes out. It doesn't take much to take this out, but I am holding her eye open because she has the chest plate and I don't want to take her off. Then this is what you got to do. You got to hold one eye as you do it. And it works, but you're going to work one-handed now.
Man, it just looks like you're some kind of a psycho.
Yeah, doing this, but you're not. You're just, you know, you're fixing the doll's eye.
Almost feel like this should be age.
I feel bad when I have to poke it, like poke in the
Related.
eye. It does. It feels a little weird, you know. But you don't want to push too much because those eyes are set. So, but you can just keep going at it until you get it all out and dig it all out. I did it with I did it with this eye already. So it's just a matter of persevering through it, being patient, you know, and it will come out. It's just a matter of, you know, when or how or whatever, you know, you just got to keep at it, you know, type of thing. And I know this question was asked me, do I have to take my doll's eyes out? No, you don't. The only thing is you're going to work a little bit more carefully because, especially if your doll's got a good painting on it already, and you painted your doll and left those old eyes in, well, now you don't want to be jabbing around your doll with this poker and poke your beautiful paint job that you just did.
Yeah, but
So-
this just shows how good they built the dolls.
Oh,
in those
yes,
days.
they did. They did wonderful jobs on them.
If it was built today and you started poking at the eye like that, it would have just sunk
Yeah.
right into the skull and
Well,
it'd be
everything's-
game over.
Yeah, it's so plastic today, light plastics and everything. But I'm just going to keep poking until I get that all out. And you just got to keep at it until you get it out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this one done today, right on here. But anyways, you get the idea of what goes on. You have to get underneath that white of the eye and get underneath that rim. That's where that eye is. And that's where you're going to put the new one. And someday, many, many years down the road, somebody will be doing this again with the eye that I put in. Oh, look at that big piece that just came out. Beautiful. And that's what you want. Now I'm getting in there and getting this eye out. See, this is what you want. You want to get all that. Now, let me just go this way. A big piece just came out of her eye. I hope you guys all got to see that. And that's the thing with this. See, you want to get underneath that whole rim. You're going around, and it's right. I don't know is this all done here? I think so. So she's ready for her eyeball now. So let's take her, stand her up, sit her up here. Yeah, she's ready. So let's get her eye out. Now I forget what size I had her. She had the little tiny blue. Oh yeah, here's she was an 8mm eye, this doll. So see how you need varieties of sizes here. You're going to use all your sizes. So we'll just keep her blue because I got her with blue eyes right now. And we're going to take that eye, that there, and we're going to slide it in. Okay, little girl. Oops. Gotta get it in that hole. Was she 8? I thought she was 8mm. Is there something up in her? I'm wondering if there's more up in there. Just doesn't want to make that. Okay, I gotta hold it open. I'm wondering, oh, it looks like there might be still a little bit. Whoops. Is there anything up in there? Well, she's cleaned right out. She is cleaned. Okay, so let's see if we can put that up there again. Sit her up. Look.
I can't. There. Oh.
Maybe I got the wrong size for her. Maybe I'm...
Well, get the next size down.
down. I think it's the next size down.
And if it's too small, you'll be able to tell right away.
Yeah, let me go to the next size down. What package did I thought she was an 8. Maybe she was the 7. Oh, there's only one left of the 7. That's what it is. She was the 7. Sorry, everybody. She was the 7. No wonder I wasn't getting that in there. There's a difference between their sizes for sure. So we're going to put that in there to get that. Oh, now I've got it sitting too much. I got to sit her up. There we go. Oh, that went right in. There we go, guys and gals.
That looks nice.
Doesn't she look gorgeous? Look at her. I'm going to plop her little wig on her now.
Yeah, give her a little bit of dignity.
Yeah.
Oh, the wig just makes it look so much nicer.
Yeah, doesn't that look nicer on her? Now you see her. Now when she's restored and everything, you know, and gets a nice little wig on her, she's going to be a cute little doll with, you know, her eyes will be popped out. I will be popping them out and painting them because they're kind of on the yellowy side. So I like to make them white again. But you know, doesn't that look a lot nicer than what it was? So
Definitely.
I hope that was now doing it with the eyes in the doll's head. So you can do it with it in the head and out. But it's your preference what you prefer. If you don't want to paint them white, you don't have to. If you like your doll the way it is, you say, look, I'm glad I got the new irises in and they look wonderful now. And I'm settled on that. That's perfect. That's good. It's your doll. Remember, that's always your doll and what you like. So that's up to you. You know, you make your decisions. There you go. And I hope you like this here. And I helped a lot of yous out. And I even helped myself out learning a lot through this. And it's just something how much you can make a doll come back to life again just with the irises. And I will put the link again on this video down below where to buy these irises, where I got them from. Okay, these are dolls that have the old plastic irises in them. So I hope that helped you out and you like what you've seen here. I think this is wonderful what we've stumbled on. And it'll save you a lot of money in your pockets. You don't have to send them out to get them done. You can do this right in your own house. So you saw what I did. You saw what I used. Now they have to be glued in, everybody. You have to put a little bit of E6000 on the back of them. But I have to restore these dolls. So that's why I have them, you know, I just did what I did just by placing them in. But of course, if you're done your doll, put a little bit of glue on them just to set them in there and to hold them in so they don't come out on their own. So anyways, have a great evening, everybody, and a great day tomorrow. There'll be more videos coming. John?
And look out for monkeys with axes.
Yeah. All right. And thank you for all the comments. We did that just in fun. The tree was down. We had to do something with it. I mean, we brought that branch down because it was hanging down pretty low. We were afraid that one good windstorm come, it would land on us. So
yeah, my son cut that down. There's no way I could climb up there and do it.
Or a monkey do that.
Yeah.
We better put that disclaimer in there. Okay. But anyways, we hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for the wonderful comments and everybody. We're having fun here with those monkeys and everything. So anyways, we'll be back with more monkey fun too. So
thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.